It absolutely works. That's great. Now that my latest invention is a success, young historian, let's see what we're designing next. Let's take a look.
The T strategy is the basic foundation of APUS history timed writing. Its seemingly simple structure can branch out into almost any timed write demands, from SAQ paragraphs to DBQ body paragraphs. The first sentence you need to write is your thesis. This is the main topic of your paragraph, and that topic should directly answer the question. Some helpful tips you can use in designing your thesis sentence include using superlatives like the most important factor or the biggest change. You can also include specific pieces of evidence in your thesis statement, such as the most important factor from America to Europe in the Columbian Exchange was precious minerals. In this single sentence, you are informing your reader on what you're going to write about.
Our first component is online. Let's take a look at the next one.
The second sentence you should write in the T strategy is the evidence sentence. This sentence should expand on your thesis by explaining why your claim is the most important. Ideally, your evidence sentence should have two components, at least one specific piece of evidence that is relevant to the prompt, and an explanation on what purpose that evidence had in shaping the past. For example, the presence of precious minerals such as gold and silver in the Americas allowed for European countries like Spain to afford the extremely expensive journey halfway around the world from Europe to the Americas and back. Now, it's important to bring up that if you mention specific pieces of evidence in your thesis, it's also a good idea to expand on what you mean by that. That is why I use the term minerals in my thesis statement instead of gold and silver.
We're 2/3 of the way there, but this last component is just as important as the first two. Let's take a look.
The last sentence you write in a basic T paragraph is the analysis sentence. In this sentence, you logically explain why your evidence makes your thesis the best possible answer to the provided question. The two best ways of analyzing your evidence involve tools called Persia and strategies called historiography. There are already 5 videos on this channel explaining how you can use Persia and historiography to support your evidence, so I'm going to leave those links in the comments.
And there you have it, one timed write component of the APUS history test. Is there another aspect of the test you'd like to see designed? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to my next invention. I'm not sure if I'm going to design a warp drive or a time machine, but I'm going to flip a coin. See you next time. Hello again. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you are a teacher, resources for this topic and so many others are available on my Teachers Paid Teacher store, Sci-Fi High School, and feel free to take a look at the channel. In addition to APUS history stuff, we got stuff on psychology, stuff on Hawaiian history, lots of different things, and more coming in the comments below. With that said, live long and prosper, e malama pono, and see you next time.